What if you could upgrade your brain like you upgrade your smartphone? Imagine having laser-sharp focus on demand, the ability to stay calm under pressure, and a mind that learns faster and retains more. This isn't science fiction, it's exactly what the revolutionary Muse S Athena promises to deliver. In this video, we'll dive deep into how this cutting-edge wearable is changing the game of cognitive fitness and mental performance. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, our brains are constantly under attack. Endless notifications, information overload, and daily stressors leave us feeling distracted, anxious, and mentally exhausted. You might have tried meditation apps or focus techniques, but here's the problem. They don't actually show you what's happening inside your brain. That's where Muse S Athena stands apart. This isn't just another wellness gadget. It's a scientifically backed brain training system that gives you real-time feedback about your mental state. The secret lies in its advanced EEG sensor technology. While you're using it, the device continuously monitors your brainwave patterns, instantly showing you when you're truly focused, when your mind is wandering, or when you've achieved deep relaxation. Think of it like a mirror for your mind. For the first time, you can actually see your progress as you train your brain. But what makes the new Athena version special? First, it features next-generation sensors that are significantly more accurate than previous models. The AI coaching has also gotten smarter. It now personalizes your training based on your unique brain patterns and goals. Whether you're preparing for an important presentation, trying to enter a creative flow state, or simply looking to unwind after a stressful day, the Athena adapts to your needs in real time. The benefits are backed by science. Clinical studies show that regular Muse users experience measurable improvements. We're talking about 20% better focus, 30% faster stress recovery, and enhanced memory retention. These aren't vague claims. They're results you can see in your daily life. Professionals report finishing work faster, students retain information better, and athletes achieve greater mental clarity during competition. Here's how it works in practice. You simply put on the headband and select a program. Maybe it's a 10-minute focus booster before an important meeting or a wind-down session after work. As you go through the exercises, the device gives you subtle audio cues that reflect your brain activity. When you're focused, you'll hear calming sounds. When your mind wanders, the feedback gently brings you back. Over time, you're literally training your brain to enter optimal states on command. At around $300, this is certainly an investment in your mental performance. But consider this, if it helps you be just 10% more productive, how quickly would that pay for itself? How much is reduced stress and better mental clarity worth to you? For many users, the benefits far outweigh the cost. So who is this perfect for? Entrepreneurs who need to maintain peak performance, students preparing for exams, creatives seeking better flow states, athletes wanting a mental edge, or really anyone who wants to take control of their cognitive health. In our distracted world, the ability to focus at will is becoming a superpower. What do you think? Could this be the tool that finally helps you master your mind? Or do you prefer traditional meditation methods? Let's discuss in the comments. Have you tried brain sensing technology before? What was your experience? Remember, in the age of information, the most valuable skill is the ability to focus. And now, there's finally technology that can help you train that skill like never before. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this breakdown helpful. We'll be testing more cutting-edge cognitive tech in future videos, so stay tuned. Until next time, train smart, stay focused, and we'll see you in the next one.